Why hello there. Have you ever wondered how to make changes to someone else's Git project? Do you think the project will be much better with your input? Me too. To make a change to someone else's project you need to send a pull request. This is essentially the same as going up to them and saying, "Hey, that pie looks real good, but I actually think it will be no better if you add my filling to it as well." And they say that sounds amazing. And they proceed to merge the filling of your pie with theirs. For this video I will be creating a pull request with this Gatsby Snipcart starter theme. As you can see, it uses the older version of Snipcart, and since I have published a newer version, I figured it makes sense for the starter to use my version. The steps you take for this are fairly short and sweet. First, you will need to head to the source of the project and fork it. The fork button is located in the top right. After you have forked the original project, you need to clone your new forked version of the pie onto your dev machine. You can just take the URL of the project and use git clone, but I prefer to use SSH to clone my projects. Take the link and head into your terminal. From here just type git clone followed by the project URL. Once the clone is complete, cd into the project directory and check out a new branch using the command git checkout b followed by the name of your new branch. Then add the remote upstream. This will be the repo you commit to once you're done, and since you want to add to someone else's pie, you'll put the URL for their project here. Once you have checked out a new branch and added the upstream, you can now carry out the changes you were going to make. Now your changes are complete, do a git add -p to check the changes that you made. If you're happy with the changes, carry out a git commit and type a relevant message to the project owner. Finally type git push -new origin followed by the branch name you were working on. Once you've pushed all your changes to the origin, you can head back over to the original project on GitHub and refresh the page. You will see the compare and pull request button appear. Click on it and check the changes that you have requested. Once you're happy, click on the Create Pull Request button. Some projects, especially ones hosted on Netlify, will have automatic merge checks, so you will have to wait for this to pass. Mine checks have passed, so it's down to the project owner to check my changes and merge them into the main project. Thanks for sticking around. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and learned something. Subscribe for more.